Futures Trading. Section 2. Basic Ideas about Futures Trading. What do you know about futures trading? These days when economy is tough and life seems to be testing you, how are you going to survive it? There are people who are lucky enough to know how to outlast crises. If you haven't been into any kinds of trades your whole life, it is never too late to start learning. The futures are known to be one, if not the most popular day trading markets these days. These are available with a wide range of fundamental elements that are effective with regards to the price movement and in terms of liquidity. There are also some futures markets that can be traded throughout the day. What do the futures hold? Do not confuse this kind of trading with the likes of stock trading wherein you invest on the stock market. With futures, you don't actually own anything. The idea here is that you speculate what the future may hold with regards to the prices of commodities that you will be trading. In other words, you speculate about what the prices of such goods will be in the future. To start with the process, you must invest a sufficient capital that you will deposit with a brokerage firm. This way, the latter will be assured that you are capable of paying for your losses in the event that your trade loses money. A good example of this venture is a farmer who opted to sell the futures for his crop, for example, wheat. He will do so if he thinks that its price will drop before harvest time. In this regard, someone who is also interested in wheat, like a bread manufacturer, will decide on buying the futures if he thinks that the wheat's price is going to rise before its harvest. Whatever happens to the price of such commodity, the farmer and the bread manufacturer are both assured of a guaranteed price. Now someone will invest in the trade. This person is interested in the changes that might happen as time passes and he wants to benefit through the process of buying and selling for a profit. In this regard, you can conclude that this kind of trade can be likened to an insurance plan dedicated to people who are involved with trading as well as investing. There is money in the trades. Just like in any kind of gamble, if you are going to be involved in trading and investing in the futures, you need to strategize. You have to study your moves and make sure that you calculate each step that you take as you go along in the venture. You cannot simply rely on good luck when there is money involved. You have to keep up with whatever is happening in the trade that you are in. This way, you will be able to plan how are you going to move and what else can you do in order to gain and avoid losing in the process. There are famous commodities traders who can testify that the statement is true. But it will definitely not be going to happen overnight. The first thing that you have to accept is the potential of futures trading. After this you can move on with your plans and can further analyze the situation that you have gotten yourself and your money into.